Now let's have a look at an integration by substitution question where we have limits. So the first step we always do is we substitute the variable by the other variables. In this case, the variable is u. So x becomes u minus 1. So in place of x, we can put u minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1, which will become square root of u. The dx in this case will be substituted by using u is equals to x plus 1. We have du by dx, which is 1. So du is equals to dx. Now the limits for the variable x were 3 and 0. So we'll change the limits using the substitution u is equals to x plus 1. So x is equals to 3, the upper limit is 3. So the upper limit for u becomes 4 and the lower limit for x is 0. So the lower limit for u becomes 1. Now for integration, we'll write the denominator separately with each of the numerator. So we get u divided by square root of u minus 1 divided by square root of u. So this becomes u to the power 1 upon 2 minus, so we bring this in the numerator, we get u to the power minus 1 upon 2. Integrating u to the power 1 upon 2, we get u to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2 minus, we add 1 to negative half, we get positive 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So we have 3 upon 2 u to the power 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So bringing 1 upon 2 in the numerator, we get 2 u to the power 1 upon 2. Now applying the limits, which are 4 and 1, we get 3 upon 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 upon 2 minus 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 1 upon 2 minus substituting the lower limit we have, which is 1. So we get 3 upon 2 multiplied by 1, which is 3 upon 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. So the 4 to the power 3 upon 2 is 8. So we get 3 upon 2 multiplied by 8 minus square root of 4 is 2. So we get 2 times, which is 4. Minus 3 upon 2 minus 2 becomes, so 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1 upon 2. So we have 16 upon so u to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 2 becomes 2 upon 3 u to the power 3 upon 2 minus 2 u to the power 1 upon 2. The limits are 4 and 1. So using the upper limit, we have 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 3 upon 2 divided by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 1 upon 2 minus, using the lower limit, which is 1, we have 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1. So 4 to the power 3 upon 2 is 8. So we have 2 8 times 16 upon 3 minus square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times, which is 4. Minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 becomes 2 minus 6, which is minus 4 upon 3. Simplifying this, we get 16 upon 3 minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. And our final answer becomes 20 upon 3 minus 4, which becomes 8 upon 3.